Madam, what you always say, if I don't need you, why should you need me? That one was, honestly, that's my philosophy. I don't care.
Coach, officiating. The Biaobieka, officiating, no. Sign a coach, you officiating here in Ghana.
What I know, technically, what I know is that
Opemsuo.
officiating, and said, amount for a complainer, sometimes people don't understand. Yeah, now supporters be they are what they know in football. What they know in football in connection with the game now. That's what sometimes they say no. Uncle was say way. Uncle was say way. No, I don't support that.
Okay.
What I support is that it is the referee's duty to convince everybody on the pitch that his level of performance now tallies with the game that is played on the pitch. I don't know whether you.
Yeah, I'm following you, but I'm getting what you're saying.
That's what we always expect. If I go to the stadium, I want to see the performance of the referee. It should tally with the level of football that we are watching. It will make it so beautiful. It will make it easy. Why is it that we enjoy games on tele more than even what we see here in Philippines? It's because of what I'm saying. Yes.
Because of because often they time they also do mistakes.
They do very few. They are human beings. That one you have to allow that because they are human beings. We make mistakes.
Okay.
But because of that, other things to help them determine offside, determine VI, determine a lot of things to help. But even still, before a game ends, one or two mistakes come.
So, coach, Omo Kase, referees away a league, Imunama, the standard number from you.
It's not so. It's not so at all.
Then our standards number from. I near fair Black Star cry, intimate striker be, yenya defender be say Habib Mohammed.
The level of our league, that is causing that.
The level
of the league we have now is not high.
It's not high.
No. Higher. Why is it that when we go to play in African Cup with other league clubs, we come out in the first round?
Is it about the money?
No. Experience in the game. Experience in the game. And your money there.
Experience in the game.
Yes. Check. Let me tell you something about when I was in Burkina. Jabir course, I think it's tough course for these French people because I was there. I took part.
Okay.
One was sitting down and then they came from Belgium.
Okay.
Because of the French language, they came to hold that. He wanted to show us the best football other countries are looking at to improve.
Okay.
And they brought Brazil and Ghana's match in the under 20 period. Ghana winning gold match. That was 2000. That was the film issue.
Okay.
So the people were now saying, the boys, the coaches were now laughing. And he said, why? And he said, and he told him that I was a Ghanaian and one of the coaches.
Okay.
And he said, no, your boys played well. Your boys are good. Those boys who are good, where are they? Just tell me. Where are they? Look at these. You mentioned them, those who played in these big clubs, and they are now all in Accra. We have one. Ajimambedu. This boy who played in by Samikofo. Those who played in where are they? Are they not in Accra?
Yeah.
What use are we making of them, out of them? What use?
Nancy Arsenal like Kingston under 17 was at 20
And
also-
even that he resigned.
yeah.
And I mean,
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
because-
never been kuyi man.
yes, because he won't allow filthy things.
Coach, is it a case Coach Jabir the ono or ya outspoken or ya be can
Until they don't want me near, and I also don't want to be near. I don't want to be near. either.
Opemsuo.
Is among all there. You na nya ya be chere wadwen.
Makamaju. Look at an example of what I'm saying. Look at Juventus. So some Kalabuli and the law says they were going to be demoted to second division team.
Okay. Yeah.
And then you have to fight and come back. And in Ghana here, I don't know, still in Italy, they went to second division team. And because they are a team, they came
They
back
fought back, yeah.
1 year, under 1 year. They came back.
Yeah.
Today, the players are working. They pay tax to the country. They get their salaries. Everything is normal in the club. But it's a lesson for them not to do that again.
Sure.
When Obuasi did the same thing here
As
in
good.
Ghana, as good.
A good team no.
What did we do?
A good team no.
Where, I don't want to talk about it.
Coach,
I'm so mad. I don't want to talk about it. More who my point of view.
Sure.